Let's talk about some common things people do when they are bored. See if any of these sounds familiar. Number one, overeating or unhealthy snacking. Sometimes we eat just because we are bored, not because we are hungry. It might feel good in the moment, but often we feel sluggish or guilty later. Number two, less scrolling on social media. You pick up your phone to check something quickly, and before you know it, you have been scrolling for an hour. Number three, impulse shopping or spending. Boredom can lead us to buy things online that we don't really need just to feel a little excitement in the moment. Number four, excessive gaming or screen time. Playing games or watching shows can be fun, but when we use them just to fill time, it can keep us from doing other things that might feel better. Number five, procrastination and avoidance. Boredom can also make us avoid tasks we know we need to do. Instead, we might end up doing something totally random to avoid the work. Do any of these sound familiar? These habits happen to all of us. Understanding why can help us make better choices. Why boredom affects us? The science behind it. So, why does boredom make us act this way? Here is a little science behind it. Our brains actually don't like being bored. When nothing exciting is happening, our brain starts looking for something new or stimulating. It's like our brain is saying, hey, find me something fun or interesting. Our brains are wired to seek out novelty and pleasure. So when we are bored, we may feel restless, anxious, or even stressed. To make those feelings go away, we often turn to things that give us quick bursts of pleasure, like checking our phones, snacking, or shopping online. But these quick fixes don't last, and they can even lead to habits we don't really want. Knowing this helps us to see that boredom isn't a bad thing. It's just our brain's way of saying it wants something to do. With the right activities, we can use boredom in a positive way, recognizing your own boredom patterns. Now, let's talk about recognizing your own boredom patterns. We all get bored sometimes, but knowing when and where it happens most can help us manage it better. Ask yourself these questions. When do you feel bored the most? Is it after school, when you are alone, or when you are avoiding something you don't want to do? What do you usually do when you are bored? Do you pick up your phone, grab a snack, or play video games for hours? Understanding your own boredom patterns makes it easier to catch yourself before turning to habits you might regret later. Healthy ways to channelize boredom. All right, now let's look at some fun ways to handle boredom in a healthy way. Here are four ideas you can try. Number one, get creative. Drawing, writing a story, making music, or even building something can be a fun way to use your time and feel accomplished. Number two, move your body. Physical activities like dancing, going for a walk, or stretching makes you feel energized and happy, even if it's just for few minutes. Number three, learn something new. Try a new hobby, take on a DIY project, or learn an interesting fact. New challenges keep your mind busy in a positive way. Number four, practice mindfulness. Try meditation, breathing exercises, or journaling. These help you feel calm and make boredom feel less uncomfortable. Each time you try one of these, take a moment afterward to notice how you feel. Do you feel more focused or relaxed? This reflection help you see the benefits of using boredom in a positive way. creating a Boredom Toolkit. This is a collection of things you can use when you feel bored. Here is how to make one for you. List your go-to activities. Write down activities you enjoy, like reading, drawing, or solving puzzles. Keep fun items close by. Fill a box or bag with boredom busters, like a small sketchbook or desk of cards, a puzzle, or even a journal. Set reminders to use your toolkit. Place a sticky note on your phone or fridge to remind yourself to turn to your toolkit before reaching for snack or your phone. A boredom toolkit gives you something positive to do right away. Tips to reduce problem behaviors linked to boredom. Here are a few tips to help you reduce problem behaviors that come from boredom. Let's go through that. Number one, set screen time limits. If you tend to scroll on your phone or play video games, set time limit. This way you can enjoy them without overdoing it. Number two, take regular breaks. Boredom can come from doing the same thing for too long. Taking short breaks helps you reset and recharge so you stay focused without getting bored. Number three, create small goals. If you have tasks to finish, break them into smaller steps. Small goals make it easier to stay interested and motivated. Embracing boredom as a tool for growth. So, here is the big takeaway: boredom isn't a bad thing, it's just your brain's way of asking for something to do. By using boredom as a chance to try new things, you can actually turn it into a tool for growth and creativity. Over time, these small changes can lead to big improvements in focus, creativity, and overall happiness. The next time you're feeling bored, try using one of these tips and see how it changes your day. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on building healthy habits. See you next time. Good luck.